Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you are new here, hello, my name's Hermione, and I like two things about home decor. One is buying home decor, which I shouldn't do so much, and two is thrifting. I love finding things secondhand, I love DIYing them, and I have a lot of secondhand and thrifted pieces in my house. So today I thought I would take you guys on a tour of my house and show you some of my favorite thrifted pieces. Yeah, without further ado, come with me. Let's go see my house. Hello. First off, here I am in my bedroom, and most of my favorite thrifty things are behind me right here. So I'm gonna go over and show you guys what's over in this corner. You might have seen this area in my videos many a times. It changes up quite a lot. So let's start with by far my favorite thrifted item, which is this circular mirror. I get a lot of questions about this, but I'm really sorry. I picked it up in a charity shop. It was £10 and I've actually found two of them, but I love that it's a circle, but I also love this because it's on a stand. It tilts. I'm not gonna try and do this with one hand, but I really like that. I like that it's gold. I'm not too keen on the color of the base, but it doesn't really bother me too much. While we're at it, on the shelves, I have a ton of thrifted items as well. Oh my god. Stop. Oh my god. Right, let's start this again. While we're over here on these shelves, I have... Right, be right back. The universe doesn't want me to film today. I went outside, I jingled my keys at crows. They disappeared, thanks guys, but then the seagulls turned up, and now some guy with a leaf blower is working at the end of the street, so I'm gonna put a pause on this and come back. On the shelves, I also have a number of thrifted items that I'm really pleased with. Like these baskets, they were 2 for £5. They had some kind of lining in them that I've taken out, and they're really handy for storing my clothes. This pink vase back here is one of my favorite thrifted pieces. I bought this last year and it's originally from Next, and that was £2, and I still can't believe I managed to find that in a charity shop. If you saw my car boot sale video last summer, you'll have seen this basket. Oh, that one right there. That is my favorite. I store all of my Mickey Mouse ears in there for when I go to Disneyland. Also, I picked that vase up in the same video. I love that. That was 50p. And this little box right here was also thrifted. I think I showed that in a haul. I think it was about £2 from a charity shop, and I store some of my jewellery pieces in there. So over here I have a collection of a few of my favourites. I have changed this area by the window about 3 times now. I just can't make it work, but I think we're good now. When I did this piece for my office, I loved it so much I couldn't resist putting it in here instead, and I just think the lamp goes so well with it that I had to move the lamp as well. So I'll link the video below where I DIY'd this desk and this lamp, but they were both secondhand. This was a hand-me-down and this was £10 in a charity shop, but I think they look really nice together, and I'm just very pleased with the storage in this desk. I use this area so much more than I actually use my office. It's ridiculous, but I actually have figured out what I want to put here now, so I'm pleased. I did scratch this while I was moving it in here, so I need to put a little bit more paint on that, but sometime later we'll figure it out. Other than that, the paint has held up really well. The wax has really protected it because I use this quite a lot. The chair is also one of my absolute favorite pieces of all time. It was about £6 from a charity shop, and it's been in many videos before. While I'm here, I do need to sort these out, but I just keep stationery in here, nail varnish and eyelashes in this one, hair tools, perfume and moisturizer apparently in this one. This should go in my office, but it's mainly like stickers and craft paper and notebook. What's in this one? Oh, this one's travel stuff, so that's really handy. I've always needed a place to put it. I just really love having this amount of storage in my bedroom for miscellaneous stuff. Plus, I have somewhere to put all of my crap that I'm using at the moment. Side note, this is a hand cream, by the way. Isn't it cute? Next, let's go down to the sitting room. I took down all the Christmas decorations last night and I tidied up, so I'm very pleased with how it looks. So yeah, in preparation for this video, of course, but let me show you. This is what the sitting room looks like now that the Christmas decorations are down. It looks pretty much the same as it did in the makeover video. I've just added a couple of bits. One of which is my favorite thrifted piece, the bar cart. Don't mind how it's not super tidy, but this guy used to be in the breakfast nook, and I just realized that if I have people over and we're just having a little drink, we tend to have it in the sitting room, so why not put the bar cart here? Anyway, this bar cart was £10 in a local charity shop. The trays were actually like a vinyl wood grain type thing, but I DIY'd this in an ancient DIY video. That video is so old and I hate it so much, but something good did come out of it, which is my bar cart. I see these in charity shops all the time and they're quite inexpensive, but if you were to buy one brand new, it would set you back quite a lot of money. So do look in charity shops for these. I'm honestly not that big a drinker, I promise. I do like the occasional Baileys or a gin or a Sailor Jerry's. Actually, I like limoncello too. Okay, but most of this has been gifted to me, so it's ended up here. I forgot about this, but next to the bar cart, I have another thrifted favorite. I've got my records in this vintage magazine rack. My record player will go here, but I've lost the cable. Anyway, I really love this. It's the perfect size for records. If you're looking for anything to put your records in, look for a magazine rack. I've just got all of my favorite records in here so I can crack them out when the time comes. What's this one? Roll On, 16 greatest disco hits. Okay, that might not be a fave, but we have it anyway. Sadly, we don't have any Fleetwood Mac in here. Still haven't found Fleetwood Mac. I think this cost me £3.50, so that was a very good purchase. Hello! I'm gonna try and get out of the mirror. That would be great. Oh, now I'm in that one. Brilliant, okay. I can't find a way to film this without being in one of these two mirrors, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. Anyway, more favorites. This guy right here. This is a vase that I picked up in a charity shop for apparently £2. I love it so much. I really like these colors together. I'm a big fan of stripes. It's definitely one of my favorite vases. So it goes pride of place up here. While we're at it, the mantelpiece was also thrifted. It was £20 from a local buy and sell website. I did do this up and DIY it, so I'll try and leave a link to that video down below or in the cards if you want to see that too. As for my shelves, not many of these bits are second hand, except this one up here was from a charity shop. Those two candlesticks were a hand-me-down. I find a lot of books in charity shops, so the one at the bottom I bought for £1 and the one at the top is from TK Maxx, but they're from the same set. So coffee table books are a great thing to look for in charity shops too. If you saw my living room makeover, you guys might have seen me do up this piece recently, so I won't talk about it too much, but I love this sideboard. I think it looked lovely before, but it just needed a bit of something to make it tie in really nicely with the room, so I just painted the fronts and added new handles from Anthropology. This piece was a hand-me-down and I'm really pleased with it. It's really handy for storage as well. And while we're here, I've got another couple of stripy vases to show you. So these ones, these I picked up really recently. I think they were $3.99 for the set of two, and I love them so much. They're kind of like a bit crackly, if you can see that. And like I said, I just really like stripes, so they go really well there. And I like that they came in a set, so I can have a little bit of balance on either side. Oh look, the tag's still on. Yes, they were $3.99. Well done, Hermione. I'll take that off at a later date. Next up, I'm in the breakfast nook, and I wasn't actually going to show you guys anything in here, but I've just realized there's a few things that I think are ultimate favorites that I have to show you, despite the fact that it looks like a bomb has gone off on this table. Please excuse this. Anyway, just ignore the clean laundry and the Christmas decorations I'm sorting out. But this side table I picked up for £8 in a charity shop. I love it. It was already painted and I really love the creamy color. I think it looks really nice with this like pale lavender gray that I've got on the wall. It's kind of a nice contrast. As you can see, I just use it as another place to store my jungle of plants that I have going on here. Can't help that I'm a bit of a crazy plant lady. Not much else in this corner was thrifted. I think this lamp might have been a hand-me-down. That vase I bought in a charity shop, and same with the photo frame, but the rest I bought new. We don't talk about the kitchen right now, but I will be doing a kitchen makeover really soon. I hope, because I can't live like this anymore. Lastly, I'm in the bathroom. This is a room that hasn't changed very much, but the other day I had to switch out the bath mats and I didn't have one. So I ended up putting a rug down instead, which I can wash very easily, and I really like it. And it's thrifted, so let me show you. It's this one. It's just plain white with these big fluffy tassels on it. It was £4 in a charity shop, and I haven't had a space to put it. So I actually am quite pleased that it fits here really nicely. I mean, it's not the most absorbent thing in the world, not gonna lie, but it's handy for when the bath mats are in the wash. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope it inspired you guys to get out and see what's in your local secondhand store. If you want to see more of the DIY and home renovation content, I promise you I've got more coming up. I've got a very fun hallway makeover coming up soon. Then I have to do the kitchen, the dining room, the guest bedroom. Sorry there hasn't been that much on this channel over the last couple of days, and weeks, maybe for a month or so. It's just been that December and January were very difficult, and the universe just kept handing me L after L after L. Like, here's another one, take this one. So I've kind of just taken a step back, and I wanted to do a few more vlog style things and just chilled out content. I hope you don't mind. I will be back with the other stuff very soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.